Hello and welcome back to the channel. The AI algorithm is messing with your view count if you're a model railway channel. That's what I just seen. Guy in America says it's just something he's been noticing over the last 6 months. So yeah, there you go. So what have we got going on here today? Well, I've got to keep my eyes peeled because, as you can see, coming around the corner here, we've got an American locomotive pulling the CMX. It's cleaning the track. But more so than that, the same track is occupied by 3 other diesels. Yep. So do this because I can clean the track and clean the locomotives of the wheels of other locomotives at the same time. In fact, I can see now that 2 of these locomotives are catching up with each other. There was a class 60 and we've got a class 24. So bear with me a second there. So there you go. There's a class 60 right behind it. Class 24. Coming under the motorway bridge, there's a class 42. So four trains occupying the same line. You have to manipulate the Hornby Select controller, adjust the throttle. There's one on that line there, one on that line. They're all getting their wheels cleaned. I think I might have to slow down this class 42 a little bit again. Yep, that seems to have worked. Running at the same speed. That point there means there's a runoff for them anyway. They can run off and then be stable. But it is a way of cleaning all the locomotive's wheels. Seeing the stabling point here. Locomotives I've been working on. Did a little bit of weathering on this locomotive here. This one got a new body. That got a new motor. That was a new purchase. Might do a bit of work on the motor on that one. It's running fine for the moment. Here comes the CMX. Doing its job. Put a little bit extra white spirits in now because it's so warm up in the attic now with the weather. It evaporates that a little bit faster. Let's have a look here. Have a look and see how the track is getting on. Yep, getting pretty clean. Have the CMX slow right down now, and it needs to hurry up because the class 60 is making its way around the corner. So let's get this off the line here. See if we can do this nicely. And slow her down. Whoa. There we go. Now the class 60 can pass by without issue. So there you go. 3 trains still going on this main line here. On the same line. Yeah, so the AI algorithm is messing with your view count if you're a model railway channel. What's going on? He said he's noticed this over the last 6 months. And I kind of have noticed as well, and I was thinking to myself, maybe my videos are just aren't as entertaining. You know, maybe I'm not getting to the point quick enough, and the videos just aren't grabbing people, but there must be something to them. Just gonna hang here and do a bit of train spotting. There's the 24 going by. See the other two guys coming around the corner now in a minute. There's another locomotive on its way to me. It's by Fleischmann, and it's a steam locomotive. It's going to be a German steam locomotive. Really looking forward to getting that one. Should be good. I've always wanted a Fleischmann locomotive in the fleet. And yeah, looking forward to that. 60 on its way up here on the same line as well. Gonna have to slow her. So there you go. Slowed the class 60 right down. This is the thing about the Hornby Select. You can get multiple trains running on the same line, but the problem with it is all the trains have different motors, different gearing, you know, and applying exactly the same throttle doesn't mean they're going to run exactly at the same speed. You have to kind of manipulate the controller. Yeah. So a new locomotive on its way to me. It'll probably be with me by the end of the month. And these locomotives should have their wheels cleaned after the CMX running around. So running around the track with the friction and the wet track, the dirt should come off, and then the CMX comes back around and collects all the wheels dirt. Just going to pull off this class 42. She's off the line there now. I can slow her down. Bear with me a minute. And now the class 60 can pass by. No collisions. And of course there's plenty of room in here for parking up locomotives. Yeah, so getting back to that. The AI algorithm is messing with the view count. Now, there might be something in that, I don't know. Definitely things have changed on the channel here. Not getting as many views. It doesn't really bother me too much. I've got a nice little group of people that follow me on the channel, and I really enjoy that. But of course you want as many people watching your videos as possible. Keep the channel alive. Was watching a video by, I think, I can't remember the lady's name, and forgive me for that, but Loading Gauge. And she was talking about a new social media platform that is only geared to people in the hobby. So unlike YouTube, where you're going to be competing with everybody for views. Is it Model Railway Media? That's possibly the name of it. I have to do a bit more investigation. I think that's what you mentioned. This might be better suited to a lot of people in this hobby, because with YouTube, you're just competing with everybody for your space. You don't have to worry about an algorithm on this platform, you know. Yeah, so it might be something to check out. Loading Gauge is the name of the channel. YouTube, it's pretty easy to use. It's, you know, you are gonna get a big viewership if you become a big gun in it. But yeah, there are options out there, you know, and you're not gonna have to worry about likes or dislikes or people commenting, you know. You'll interact with our hobbyists. Will be people of all skill levels, which is nice, you know. Yeah, so that's something I might investigate. I'm just going to pull off the class 60 here. Excuse the camera work. Let's see if I can slow her down. Whoops. No. The class 42 decided to start moving there of its own accord. That was a bit of a fright. But she's okay now. Best thing to do is cancel the address. But she decided to start moving all these line of coaches down. The first one just, its first bogey just went over the edge, but then she stopped, thankfully. Okay. Whew. Yeah, so there's another option. Model Train Media. Might check that out. I might just make sure I verify that name, that I've got it right. And I'll put it in the next video coming out. But today was just running a couple of trains and cleaning the track with the CMX. So that's it for this one. That locomotive will be on its way to me, and hopefully I can do a little bit of a look at that one and run her. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next one.